Welcome guys, Cream Bath back again with another reaction video. Today I react to Kano, Fire in the Booth. I'm not talk too long, I just don't treat in that video, because the video is long already, so I'm not talk too long. So begin now.
I know you gonna dig this.
Oh yeah.
Fire in the Booth, boy.
Yeah, man. Let's try a thing.
Alright, you know what time it is when you hear this, right?
Let's get ready
The Rumble!
A few times.
Fire in the booth.
Yeah.
Come, let's see it again. Let's see what happens now, Kano.
Made to the manner. Hey, look, man. Cover your ears. Yeah. This is real nigga lyrics. Fake niggas can't look in real nigga mirrors. I know who I am and he knows who he isn't. Nan just cussed me out, said I don't even dial her digits. I don't see my nan unless she gets convicted fishes. I'm just on this money making mission. Out of town shelling down money making.
Alright, it must start off smooth. I think not doing that. We're going night hard, but it must start off like a chill vibes, you see me? Alright, see what I did.
I've got plans to give the whole fam a bringing. Wish that I could show the whole fam the big picture. Dropping brothers out if they don't play the right position. I know life looks rosy from where you're probably sitting, but these bucket leather seats ain't what I call winning. Can't put shoes on my nephew's feet with it. Can't put food in a nigga's fridge, can it? Two lubes make a nigga lose vision. All the red on these bottoms make a nigga non-Christian. Sip wine with the missus, break bread with my niggas. Table full of winners, do dinners, group pictures with some big villains, wig splitters, brick dealers. But do due diligence, not one goon with us. Everyone around me, boss, no seat fillers. But I am no success unless the man them are legitimate. Play gets all day, then the man them do sizzler. But the two differ. Thank you, mama, for those 9 months you carry me. I know I could big up.
Big up Sizzler. Big up.
So if I know you worry about me, and I'm quick to tell you, don't worry about me. My shoulders are for your tears, don't worry about me. I know it's Balmain, but don't worry about it. This music shit's connected to my soul, my mood swings. My art's a major artery, can't function without it.
Yo, I like so just a flow without a beat, without a high power rhythm. They can literally hear everything you want to say, you see me? I like this, different.
Conquer the mountain, but these combos are landing. Then I think I'm out of range, but these punches are now sim. No plaster for this pain.
Yeah, that, no plaster for this pain, bro.
But I can fucking pop more rosé. I'm done with nightclub living. Vodka and lems, that's the nightclub spirit. I smile for the lens, but these eyes say different. Nice little legs, but her eyes say mischief. Too black for district, but the money too.
Oh, you know what I'm saying? Nice little legs, but her eyes. Do you know what that mean? And every woman wanna see what look pretty, one of us run up to, you see me? Sometimes I look up pretty one them, get the most trouble. Mischief in the eyes.
Colorblind eye for our business, so we can get in long as we're spending like niggas, just as long as we don't bring our sisters. 2K table in the club, IKEA for the kitchen, but know that the sparklers is a mad thing. By this bitch, she ain't bringing nothing to the table, but know that the back off is a mad thing. Everybody gets the
What about the big ass?
Churches, but still I do the stands thing. Righteous, but still I do the ham thing. Yeah. Can cut the tension with a Stanley. Everybody shuffling on Mandy. I'm narcos and chilling with some brandy. Paco Piger Peters, but not Andy. My family.
Yo, the man come like a poet, bro. Man come like a poetry man right now. Big man thing, like a poetry.
16 new niggas on the flat screen. Token white Charlie, blue cream in the family. I was in the upper class queue, posh ticket. Staff told me, sorry sir, you're in the wrong position. Bigot idiot didn't say fuck all to Richard. So fuck all the riches, you can't fool the pigment. I don't know with the MJ thing, I did moonwalk. And call nigga yardie, but the bleaching's unusual. Rappers never big up my name in it.
When they call him a yardie. Wait, him is a Jamaican? I don't know if he's a Jamaican, you see me?
A few talks, so is that the goose talk when they see me, bro? Different blokes, different strokes. We ain't talking about willingness, we're talking about business. Top proper figures, we're not cotton picking. Catch me in the field, the check was real. If fuckers can't hear, they better feel. If words don't break bones, the weapon will. I'm taking my respect, better still. I'll take another zero on the deal. Then take some of my people to the grill. Love is something people to instill. Hate is really real. Grew up eating festivals, now I eat at festivals. Can I go off the record? Yeah, them records cool.
Grew up eating festivals.
Seminal. Cheese moving silent.
No, them way there, Fish and Festival. Mommy and Festival and everything there.
But that's the banter when the legends talk. Share some duppy share, then some legs get pulled. I've been up again from Stratford Rex, of course. I guess that you can call me Mr. Mattress. What if I get that twin slept on this?
Bomba.
Write me off, I write lyrics. 3,000 tickets before one could even blink. That's why guy thinks I'm the shit. Big man ting, I'm out here for the hitman ting. Yeah, not a kidnap king. Up and down on a wingback ting. Left Harrods with the big back ting. Might catch Paddy with the big back ting. Hazard's on a zigzag ting. Rambo for the riff-raff ting.
Rambo, yo, me know, yo, me already stood for the Rambo talk, them, you know. You see me? Them brother, I love talk about them Rambo knife though. Honest to God.
Bucks go and spit that skin. Don't come back unless you bring back sins. They shout L's and I bring back wins. You can sink or swim. What's beef? That's not what you mean. That's when you cover queen. It's blackjacks but don't bring back king. Then it's all black suits when man sing that hymn. Major Crawford alert. Hit my tailor for the work. All this fan love got some makeup on my shirt. Just know I'm making millions if I make it to a hearse. Before I even make it in the dirt, you can't evaluate my worth. Leave that talk in the barbers. Guess overestimating gets a snake's dick harder. You want man to be your brethren, your gal and your father? Stand on your own fucking two Balenciagas.
Yeah, for real, dog.
Motherfuckers want their cake and to stuff their fucking face. You don't know my expense and I gotta buy bigger plates, but as amazing as Heinz is, you should be buying.
But they speak facts to them.
One mace out there puffing, can't club with him. +7, I can't get the 8th cousin in. You know them spray the champs in the air, man. Before the bill comes, they disappear, man. Like say it's so bill when you go.
Alright, yeah, that way there. Watch out for the people who just dead for your money, you see me? You know what I'm saying? When them pop the bottle, before the bills ever even come, them put a pop bottles, you know? And when the bills come, them gone, cause they want you for pay fees, you see me? All them with it. 24 and
all these rappers drinking that he wish he got the patent. Rapper think he bad, I will son him, no Jaden. 1 million, I spray bars with no fragrance. Piga's got them kilos and a kilo chain like Aiden. AB just land that money man won't be so brazen. Problem with the kid, now that's a problem in the making. That's a big understatement. It's probably 9 shots like 5 older iPods. This is not a friendly handshake after we loaded the mic board. They're buying guns, be buying guns. Cause
yeah, man, I fit it, bro.
Where pussy girls didn't have a platform to type on. When mic's on, I'm icon. When mic's off, I'm icon. Probably king of Gardy dance, wine to the gal with white on. Stitchery knows what I'm on. I do the floss with diamonds. If I went king of diamonds, would it make it ring with my ones? I go restaurants on my ones. Either Peroni or it's Merlot. Never been platinum, but I've probably been your girls though. 30, money. Told me how much times a feature had a better verse though. Probably 2 or 3, 1 unreleased. Talking cartel level, talking 3, 2 and G.
You know man say, yo, talking car, word boss.
We'll try to sneak one up on man, but we'll see after some shows. Just who got the upper hand, let's do the maths. I've been laying down 14 years, that's 1 loss every 4.6. Ballon d'Or don't see scores like this. It's sugar statistics, taking the biscuit. Teenager told me about grind, kiddo, I lived it. Nearly said goodbye to the game, I might have kissed it. Yeah, now I got a new sing-along, I titched it. 13, I blew the candles out and wished it. So still pinch myself that I lived this life of a non-millionaire, cause I'm gifted. Kanye moment coming up, I'm Prince sick. That's so cool. Fans jumping back on my lint foot. Still got interest there for anyone listening. Never could have
spit it, bro.
I just wish I had a Festa skank on my hit list. Colombian fit Givenchy for the winters. But gas bill catch me if you can for the winters. Shh, fed up with people saying that Kano is underrated. Show me who don't rate me and I'll show you who is hating. Home sweet home was my off the wall. But still I got a thriller in me, everybody wound. Cause it's how you get up, it's not even about the fool. Not the most fame, but they'll put me in the hall. The elephant is in the room. Where's the lions in this bitch? Even sleeping giants wake up and take piss. Too many gangsters, not enough gentlemen. Too many bosses, not enough apprentices. Too many ride-alongs, not enough menaces. How them young bucks can't know not to keep evidence. Lyrics flow show, that's the 3 elements. Show a man your verse, that's MC etiquette. So rockin' ginger beer, that is street decadence. I'm a pie, mash eating east side resident. What's a grind renaissance? See for my persistence. Nothing, I was in top war in Lebanon. Jay and me was flagging the flag, that's evidence. Straight from the horse's mouth like revenant. I can't run out of bars like Chippy said. Many men wish on my death like 50 said. Running through
big up to 50.
Like
50.
but there's an E on the beginning of that I represent. Touch mic and lay down dance, I'm Mr. Leg. Every time you see me a new one, I'm Mr. Benz. Why you putting pressure on the game like this again? I had a Gareth Southgate couple summers, I'm Mr. Penn. Tell Phoebe my circle's smoother, I'm missing friends. Some Mr. Men, Mr. Jealous, Mr. Vex. I'm Mr. Everyone went right, I took the left. Now who's his best, me or Rich?
Yo, man, kill it, bro. Yo, man, not a lie. The man killing it, yo. The man run through 8 minutes worth of freestyling. Everybody else must do them something and them always stop and do something, do a two different something. Man does the one straight 8 minute, bro. Crazy. Crazy, bro. Yo, that boy, I'm not telling none of that, bro. The man go through 8 minute worth of that, bro.
That was a moment right there, boy. Wow.
Outside the man there.
Hey, man said it as well. Now which one's now? Man or Rex?
Yeah, man, man, kill it, bro.
Bro, that was a moment. That was a special moment right
For
there.
you, man, for you.
Fam,
You know.
and I gotta keep it real. You just took that spot, K. Man, like K just took the spot. I know Rex is watching, is unhappy. Because the competition is strong, I know that. And Gets as well. I know he's watching it as well. And Geeksy as well.
Official.
You just took it, bro.
Made in a manner.
Bro, nah. The album already. I've said it, cause like when it comes to music, I'm as honest as I can be, you know. Like if someone puts an album out and it's not great, I won't say nothing unless they ask me. And if they ask me, then I'll be like, I got 2 decent records on there. The rest was, you know what I mean? But bruv, it's a masterpiece, honestly.
Hey, thank you very much.
From front to back, there's no.
Yeah, man, yo, but I tell you, bad, bro.
Back to back.
Come and listen to them and say, yo, what the hell one? Even the rhythm low, and the man thought like a poet.
My head the first time round, the second time I'm like, whoa.
Yeah. Live with it.
Alright guys, at the end of the reaction video, you see me? Yo, man, I tell you this bad, bro. I'm say, Kano, normally people them always stop with them something, you see me? Make all 2 different tracks. But him just go straight through 8 minutes that everything when man say a facts, bro. The man just give like a lifetime story of what really are going on in society and how people can betray and all them stuff, bro. So this could connect to a lot of people, you see me? So, big up to yourself, Kano. Fire in the boots, you see me? Think it's bad still. But anyway guys, so then the reaction video.